David Bergman.
Angela Bergman.
Today we're bringing you an incredible Cambrian area single level home. Amazing home. Tell us more.
This home is absolutely fantastic. It's situated on a beautiful tree-lined street, single story, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's timeless design. This home is thought after with family functionality in mind when they design everything. It has top-of-line material.
Great room. It's got an incredible chef's kitchen, gas, stove, everything you could imagine. But then wait till you see the backyard. We've got an outdoor kitchen, a hot tub, a gazebo, storage area, and off-street RV parking. Let's go check it out.
Come on in. Welcome.
Wow, it's an incredible space. We're looking at the dining room right now. It's a beautiful space. The brushed white oak floors, the can lighting, all the features are just amazing. The wood shutters.
And behind this trendy barn door, you have the office set up as an office, but actually the 4th bedroom if you need it.
Yeah, if you need a 4th bedroom, there it is. But otherwise, it's an amazing office with an outdoor space. Do you want to go check out the kitchen?
Come on.
Come on, let's go. I love this huge great room space. The house actually has a whole house filtration system, but also the sink here has a special drinking water filtration system. Dual sinks. You've got a great refrigerator, soft close cupboards and drawers, just beautiful finishes, 5-burner gas stove, built-in microwave. Actually, this one is for hot water. Just an amazing finish, big, bright, open space. Angela, tell us more.
Oh, don't forget, have the bar seating. There's 4 bar stools.
You could probably fit 5 there.
Yeah, exactly. And then check out the setup. You have abundance of natural light come out from this large window, sliding door. Even the light windows on top is thoughtfully designed throughout. And then this behind it, look at that.
Linear fireplace.
And then this entertainment delivers an 85-inch screen with professional audio sound system throughout the whole house.
So actually the seller worked at a company we won't say, and he was the elite sound guy for the company. He did all the sound here.
What I call is the top-notch sound system.
Yeah.
Perfect for entertainment. Yeah. Let's check out the rest.
Let's go.
Welcome to the beautiful primary suite. I love this direct access to the outdoors, and you have the spot right there, perfect to relax your day. And I love they have the custom fit window coverings everywhere, whether you have the plantation shutters or the customized shades. And also don't forget to check out the beautiful modernized bathroom with barn door and glass shower. It's beautiful throughout the whole house. And check out the rest. We'll see you in the backyard.
Look at this amazing backyard. You've got outdoor sound. Look at this kitchen.
I know. Come, let me show you. This is a genius idea. When you're just cooking something, you don't want to smell in the house, this is perfect. And it's natural gas. You don't have to worry about changing the propane tank. You got a fridge and a barbecue. And you have the outdoor sound system and the beautiful...
Actually, this sun protection too that rolls in and out as you need it.
They thought of everything, didn't they?
Everything. Even come over here, check out the hot tub. So you've got a great hot tub space, just a beautiful backyard, peaceful area. There's a dog run over there. Angela, do you want to tell us about?
Yeah, and this is perfect for outdoor dining. Under the tree shades, it's perfect for summer or all seasons because you have the gazebo.
So the gazebo has a ceiling fan. It has a built-in TV. It has lighting. It's just a wonderful, wonderful space for spending outdoors. Let's keep going this way. You have another great space if you wanted another table, but then look at this storage. You've got 2 storage units and something really special. Come on with me. So 2 storage units, but then something really special. So this is an RV parking area. So you have RV connection for plugging in. He would pull in the big RV and park it here. There's gates to the driveway. Just incredible. Everything is thought of. Thank you so much for joining us today at this incredible home.
I know, it's absolutely amazing, isn't it? It has everything you can ever need, ever want in a beautiful home.
The outdoor stuff, the indoor stuff, everything, a new kitchen, everything.
Yeah, top-of-line material, modern finishes. It's absolutely amazing. We can't wait for you to come and check this out in person.
So for your real estate needs or to see this home, what should they do?
Call the Bergmans today, and we have you covered.
We'll see you next time.
Bye now.